Hi, my name's Steve Riley. We're here in Dubai at the CF Padel Academy. We're in Jumeirah College, which is very close to the beach in Jumeirah. Today's lesson is for beginners. So what do you need to do as a beginner to play and enjoy paddle? First thing, you need to get the ball over the net. That's all you need to do. If you get the ball over the net more than everybody else, you'll win the point. So just think about getting the ball over the net. You don't need to hit it 1 millimeter from the net. Give it some height. Make sure you hit it deep. So if you have a look at this shot, I'm going to hit this ball deep. That's deep, bouncing past the service line. In paddle, there's no baseline. The white line there's the service line. That's a deep shot. Hits the glass. That's good. You all know the rules. The rules being, obviously, hit it too hard. That's out. So don't hit the ball too hard. And also, a lot of people, when I teach, they tend to try and hit the ball up here. It bounces and hits it here. You don't have to hit the ball here. You should wait until it's lower and hit it when it's this height. It's a lot easier to hit it this height than it is up here. Obviously, if you're playing off the glass, it's a different story. So for beginners, the main thing is don't stand in no man's land. This is no man's land. Stand back a bit. Hit the ball highish over the net, so you've got margin for error. If you want to go to the net, that's good. But don't run too fast to the net. All you have to do, if you've hit the ball, you can go in. Don't run too far or too close to the net. Then you'll be able to volley. Again, don't try and hit down. Hit down. You might think the ball will go in the net, but actually if you hit down, it goes out. So I'm going down. That's gone out. So when you're at the net, just push the ball deep. That's really good. Just push the ball deep. Similarly, if you're at the back and you try and hit it down, it actually goes high. As we said in previous lessons, push it along the table. Along the table. That would be good. With this grip, not a topspin forehand tennis grip, this grip. Try not to take your elbow out, just keep your elbow in, use your shoulders, which will give you a good shot. Similarly, on the backhand, just try and push it forwards, that would be good. And the more you get the ball over the net, you'll win more points. Obviously, you're going to communicate with your partner. If the ball goes down the middle, then your partner's going to hit it if they're right-handed, because I'm right-handed and I'm down the middle. So that person would shout mine early, so there's no confusion. This person here, the ball is down the middle, even this side, they're going to take it. It's not going to be a backhand, it's going to be the forehand player. A few more things. If you're serving, don't just tap the ball up. Do something with your serve. Try and push it forwards a bit. If you're feeling really confident, push it towards glass 1. If I refer to the glasses, that's glass 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 glasses either side of each end, so on a paddle court there's 18 glasses. Hopefully that's going to make you enjoy your paddle a bit more. See you next time. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe. Please subscribe here. If you want to see more in the series of what we do, up here. And if you want to learn about all the general things we do on all our channels, go down below.